Hello everyone, in this lesson we will focus on the grammatic point of connecting two nouns with 是 in Mandarin Chinese. The word 是 means is and functions as a linking verb to connect two nouns. It is used to introduce people, describe people, express existence, and refer to the present. Okay, let's look at some examples. Here are some examples to illustrate the usage of 是 in Mandarin Chinese. So the first one, 我是老师，我是老师 I am a teacher. 他是医生，他是医生 He's a doctor. 他是我的朋友，他是我的朋友 She's my friend. 这是我的家，这是我的家 This is my home. 今天是星期五，今天是星期五 Today is Friday. Practice 1. Fill in the blankets to complete all the sentences. Practice 2. Translate the following sentences into Mandarin Chinese. So how to say these sentences in Mandarin Chinese? Practice 3. Make sentences to describe the following people. How to describe the following people in Mandarin Chinese. Okay, in this lesson, we have learned how to connect two nouns with 是 in Mandarin Chinese. We also learned how to introduce people, describe people. And see you in the next lesson. 再见。